Good morning, scholars. Happy Monday. It's day 146. We're diving right into our lesson for today. This week, we're still working on decimals and fractions, but we're going to be using IXL to help us further understand decimals and fractions. So, I'm going to walk you through how to log into IXL for today. First thing you're going to do is go up to your browser and type in IXL.com. It's going to bring you to the home screen, and this is where you will type in your username and password. Now, I know you have a username and password for Miss Simmons and ELA, but your username and password is different for math. For math, your username is your first name, last name, and the number 149, and then your password is KIP2028. So, if I'm logging in, I'm going to type in my first name, my last name, the number 149, and then my password is KIP2028, and then I'm going to click the green button that says sign in. Right at the top, you will see it says recommendations. And if you scroll over, it tells you that you have some skills suggested by your teacher. Every day, you will have a new skill that you need to complete. So what you will do is scroll over. You will click that. It's going to show you what the skill is, what the lesson is, and then you will click that, and it will bring you to the lesson. You are then going to go through and answer the questions. The thing that I love about IXL is it gives you hints and tools and tips to help you. So let's say I'm looking at this problem and I'm like, whoa, I am confused. I have no idea what to do. What I can do is click right here where it says learn with an example. It's going to show me an example of what I need to do. So if I click learn with an example, it'll break it down. It says what decimal number is illustrated. It gives me this. And then it actually shows me how to go about doing it. And I love it because it's showing you what to do to help you understand. So now that I've read through it, okay, I understand. I'm going to click back to practice. Now I'm going to go back to this and say, what decimal number is this? Well, this is broken up into hundreds. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those hundreds. I know hundreds has to be the second place value. So I'm going to click this and then click submit. Yay, I got it right. It brings me to the next one. You're going to go through all of the problems that it brings you. Let's say, for example, you're doing a problem. I see this and I see, oh, this is, let's say, 56 hundredths. I think there are 56 of these little hundred squares shaded in. So I click 56 and I click submit. And it says, sorry, incorrect. What I love about this is it then goes on to explain what the correct answer is and why. So if you miss a problem, scholars, it's super important that you actually read through the explanation so that you understand what you did that was incorrect and what you should have done to make it correct. So now that I've read through it, I'm going to click got it, and now I'm going to be ready for the next problem. So you are going to work your way through this assignment. It is going to give you question after question after question. After you are done, it will show you your score and then it will send the score to me. You are able to do these exercises over and over and over again. If you don't like your score, try it again. I encourage you to try it again. The goal isn't to just get a high score, but it's to learn the material. So you're going to go through today's exercise. When you are done, it will send the score to me. Remember, scholars, you have to log in using your username for math, which is first name, last name, and then the number 149. And your password is KIP2028. I'm going to attach the username and passwords at the bottom of the announcements page. So in case you forget, wait, what is my username and password? You can click on the list and it will tell you your username and password. All right, let's hop to it.